gave me, I don't know how long ago. I haven't used it. I'm going to use this as my skirt. It is Kate Spade twin fleece blanket. But yeah, I'm about to use this. I hope it's still crispy. If not, I'm going to turn it inside out. It still looks okay. Oh my God, this looks so good. I don't know, y'all. This might have to go on my, what's the name? This might have to go on my couch, y'all. Yeah. This gonna have to go on my couch. I don't know about this going around that thing. Ooh, look at it. Look at it. It looks so good still. Look at that. Mm-hmm. Yeah, this going on my couch. Well, as soon as my, what's the name, get dry. Yeah. I'm going to put this one on the big one over there. And then I'll put my other one over here. I'm going to have to find me something to go around my tree. But, yeah. That's going on my couch. Yes. So I'm just waiting for my coverage to get. Whew. I put a lot of stuff out of my storage in the basement, so it's just sitting down there. I'm waiting on my girls to get here so they can bring it up, and I can really get started. But I really just want my tree set up and my covers back on my couches. Last year. It's too big, I don't care. I don't have to force it in. It goes in perfectly. Yes. Let's get y'all up in here so y'all can see what I'm doing. Well, tell me the secret so I can get me some. What are you supposed to do? Not hurt your finger? My finger don't be hurt. Like, I don't know. I don't know. Tell me the secret. Alright, y'all. So, I put a little trees in here, little white trees, some gold ones, some lights, and now I got my pro. I think I'm going to put this one on. I'm just going to put this one on. Real simple. Nothing spectacular. I just like how it's, I like this. Let me turn it over. Yeah, I like it like that. Yeah, I like how it looks like a sweater. Alright. Christmas stuff that y'all supposed to be seeing. To decorate. This is it. Like, this is it so far, and it already looks so flipping good. Oh, I gotta water my flowers. That's what I'm about to do. Water my flowers. My hanging flowers, because they looking kind of sad. So I'm gonna water those really good. Let's see how I look with the lights out. Let's see how it looks with the lights out. Alright. Alright. Look at that. That is so pretty. Cream, green, and burgundy. So yeah. And then I'm gonna put this blanket down at the bottom. Since I can't find I'm not going to buy a tree skirt. I'm just gonna use this blanket. Since I put my what's the name over there, I'm gonna get me a couple of new cream ones, nice and fuzzy throws. Yeah, and hang these on the ladder over there. That is it. The kitchen will be a different video, as well as the coffee, hot chocolate, Santa station. It's gonna be so cute. I'm gonna use my sled, my large sled over there. And then I will have another video with my bathroom. I'm gonna decorate my bathroom for Christmas. Very whimsical. But so far, I'm loving how it looks. Like I said, I'm finna do my ribbon. I'm gonna put the white, well, the cream. It's not white, it's cream, and the green ornaments and gold. And then I'm gonna wait until I'm gonna show you how it looks, and then I'm gonna show you the finished results with the burgundy bulbs, as well as the topper and honey. When you see it, it's gonna be, yeah, fabulous. So yeah, I'm doing that so far. I'm loving how this looks. This is really gorgeous to me. It really is. So yeah, I'm about to finish. But I like as well my mom houses. I can't believe I kept all these houses. Some of them are cracked, some arms are missing, but like, look at that. I'm gonna put some cotton to make it look like snow. Elevate some. Yeah, it's gonna be cute. Add those with my top. And then I'm just gonna use my cream and gold ribbons. What I got already, I'm not buying any. Like I said, I'm doing, the only thing I'm gonna buy is some stuff for the bathroom, curtain, the rugs, and the towels. And then I use some of the decorations over there. Other than that,